Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech coming to you live from my patio, and it's apropos because we are taking a look at the PatioBeat party speakers. They are like massive 40-watt speakers that pair together. They come in a pair in one box, and we're going to take a look at them coming up next on Old Man New Tech. First, we can't make this channel happen without you, so if you could, head down below, hit like, subscribe, ring that little bell, and you'll be notified every time we have cool new videos coming out. And full disclosure, sometimes I buy these speakers, sometimes they're sent to me, but you always want to wait till the end when I give you the pros and cons, because I give you an honest review of these electronics, just to let you know what's a good buy and what you may want to pass on. Now let's see what's in this box. All right, we're taking a look at the PatioBeat Outdoor Bluetooth Speakers. Now, these come in a pair inside the box. So this box is huge, but you know what? We do things right here at Old Man New Tech, so we're going to open this Old Man New Tech style. All right, so here's everything that we get with the PatioBeat Bluetooth speaker set, and we got two Bluetooth speakers, and basically we're getting two of everything with this set. So you're getting two aux jacks in case you want to hardwire your devices into each speaker. You're getting two Type-C charging cables, nice. And you're getting two sets of lawn spikes so that you can actually put these things on a pole and stick them into the grass in your lawn, which is cool if you can't find a place for them to hang. These are the actual spikes for the poles. We've got our user manual, and you are going to want to keep this handy because they also include your true wireless stereo pairing, and it will show you how to pair up to 100 of these speakers. Incredible. And finally, we have the speaker itself. I mean, this thing is big. It weighs about 6.5 pounds. You're going to find nice metallic screens on the front and on the back. Now you can see two passive radiators here on the back that will give me extra bass. I've got a repeat of the instructions for pairing. Nice sturdy handle on the top. That can hold some weight. That's good. And on the front, I can see I've got some drivers in here, but again, it's nice, sturdy metal grate. And my controls are here on the bottom. I've got my power on, off. I've also got my Bluetooth, and this will also help me to connect for true wireless stereo. I've got volume up and down, pause, play, light show selections. So I guess I have a bunch of different light shows that I can put on here. An extra bass button. I always want extra bass, guys. And also you can set the lights to go off after a certain amount of time. That'll help you reserve your battery. On the bottom, I've got 4 rubber pads for stability. I also have this threaded hole here, and that will allow you to mount these to the spikes that you can put in your lawn. I've got fine imitation wood paneling on the side. Underneath, I can see my LED lights. This will give me my light effects at night. But that is the overall look and feel of the PatioBeat Outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Again, we get 2 with each set. Now let's go sync these up and see how they sound. All right, we got the PatioBeat speakers unboxed, and we've got them powered up, and I synced them to my phone, and it's really easy to sync. I'm going to shoot a full syncing video up top here, so you should be able to link right to that if you're looking for sync directions for these speakers. But one thing I make note of in the video is that the speakers themselves, when they do sync, it's not true wireless stereo. It is what I call party mode, and that means that you are getting the same sound fed to each speaker. You're getting a full rich sound, but if you're planting these on opposite sides of a party, you don't want a left channel and right channel. You want everybody in the party to be able to hear the sound equally. And these speakers, if you can see in the background here, they have 24 RGB LED lights, which means they can shift colors all the time, or there are 4 different modes you can put them into. One that will flash the lights off and on intermittently with the beat, and then you can go flat colors. You can change the colors here easy enough by hitting the light button on there. That's no light at all. There's your straight color that'll shift from one color to the next. It'll transition from green to blue to yellow, orange. I like the shifting rainbow colors on this because it looks more like they match up and kind of cool looking. Now these speakers have two 20-watt drivers in the front, and they do give off a good rich sound. I do like the fact that it's got some passive radiators, two passive radiators in the back, so if you do place these around your yard, if you put it up against, maybe the house or something, you're going to get a lot of reflection of that bass out into the environment that you're trying to provide sound to. I like the retro design. It's got this cool wood paneling on the side, and it looks, it looks pretty kitsch. But with 40 watts of sound per speaker, I'm getting a true 80 watts of sound for my party. So I'm able to power a large party with these two speakers together. Now I've got Bluetooth 5.3, which gives me great range and great sound. I'm able to get 100 feet away from my originating device, as well as the speakers being spread out over a 50 to 60 foot area with zero breakup. Each speaker has an 8800 milliamp battery in it. That gives you plenty of battery life, even with the lights running. Now I've had a chance to drain these batteries from a full charge down to nothing over the past couple of days. And I was easily able to get 14 hours at moderate volume out of these speakers. I know it says up to 20 hours of playtime per charge, but I think that's with the lights off and at a lower volume. I usually play about 50% volume just to get a realistic range of what I would be using these speakers for. Now from a charging standpoint, you're going to want to charge these overnight because it takes about 6 hours to charge each of these speakers. Now if it starts to rain at your patio party, don't worry about it because these are IPX5. You can get them wet, you can get them out into a rainstorm. You're not going to want to submerge them. I don't know why you'd want to, but they are water resistant, so you don't have to worry about the speakers getting fried if they get wet. And I almost forgot, one thing I forgot to mention when I was doing the unboxing of these is that the flap is around the back for your accessories. That includes your charging port and then the auxiliary jack. And I tell you what, I'm not going to power these up indoors. They do sound great indoors, but let's be honest, we're not going to use these indoors. You might want to in the winter, but I'm going to take these out on the patio and show you guys how they sound and how they look at night. All right, so I got the speakers about 30 feet apart, and I'm playing some EDM music so you get an idea of the bass signature that these speakers have. Pretty loud, and I'm standing a good 15, 20 feet away from the speakers themselves. Now I'm going to go up to 100% volume. And I tell you what, it is filling up my entire patio, which is a pretty big area, with solid bass sound. Check that out. You're hearing some really good coverage of sound here. And at 100% volume, I can easily host a good 60, 70, 80 people out here and provide plenty of sound. And it does feel like 360 degrees of sound when you have two of these speakers synced up. Those lights look pretty cool too. I'm getting zero distortion at 100% volume and really good music clarity. Now let's head back to the studios and wrap this review up. Hopefully you guys were able to get an idea of the type of sound that you're delivering with these 40 watt speakers. That's 40 times 2, so you got 80 watts of power out there in that environment. But this is my opinion, and I'm no audiophile, but they do sound really good. I mean, you're going to be able to have great ambiance and nice sound if you have a lot of people over. That's what these sort of speakers are for. The PatioBeat speakers are for entertaining. But from a sound standpoint, they do sound solid. I have crisp, clear highs. My mid-ranges are coming through loud and clear, and there's a substantial amount of bass being delivered by these speakers. So you will not be unimpressed by the sound. I mean, it sounds pretty good. I actually staked them to the lawn. As you can see, it's easy enough to assemble the pole and the stake. Everything fits right together, and it screws into the bottom so easy. But they are a little bit top heavy. You want to make sure that you don't knock them over. And with that, I'm going to roll into the pros and cons and give you my final impressions on the PatioBeat Bluetooth outdoor speakers. As far as the cons go, if you stake these speakers and do not secure this handle on top, the bass in these speakers is really strong and it causes these handles to vibrate. You'll think you blew a speaker. So if I were to do that, I would probably tie a ribbon or put a felt pad on the handle. But if you hang the speakers up, that's not going to be an issue. The other con is that they do take a while to charge. I mean, 6 hours is a long time to be charging a speaker. So when you get done using them, you're going to want to put them on the charger overnight and you'll be good to go. But really, that's all the cons I have. The pros, they sound great. One thing I didn't point out specifically was that there is an extra bass button on here, and you're going to want to hit that button because you are getting so much more of a full sound. And the sound is fantastic on these. You're getting a true 40 watts out of each speaker, and I was impressed by the battery life. Again, I was able to use them for 12 to 14 hours with the lights on at a moderate volume level. I mean, they look great, they sound great, and the price is right on Amazon. I'm shooting a link down below so you can check out the latest pricing. So great looks, great sound, great price. Don't forget you're getting 2 speakers for the price of 1. But I have no choice but to give the PatioBeat Outdoor Bluetooth Speakers a solid buy now recommendation. You're going to want these for the summer. Speaking of which, I'm going to get back out there with a couple buddies of mine and plug these in and enjoy some tunes. You guys have a great evening. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.